Hello, I'm Tyler Paul. This is High Quality Connections, and my scenario is that there's a customer that I help with her home loan process at my banking career. During that time, HQC came into play when I was able to establish vitality and energy for both parties by getting to know her specific situation that revealed certain aspects of her life that were similar to mine. Then I was able to establish positive regard by letting her know that I've done this before with great success and that I can do the same for her. I would ask if she had any questions and do my best to answer them thoroughly, and often engage her to present positive reinforcement herself, therefore practicing joint participation and responsiveness. Through this experience, I was able to create a personal connection with her by learning about what her business is in the dog grooming industry. Through this, she became my dog groomer for many years. Okay. Which brings us to planning. And the outcome I was trying to achieve is to get a new job in a different career. I applied for a new job and had an interview for this position as a forklift operator. I worked with my wife on this because she knows me and can offer me good advice. I would write down the questions that I have and listen to everything that she had to tell me. My measurement was to know if I had gotten the job. Execution. I approached this scenario with open ears as she explained the job description. I ended up getting the job. I noticed that she was being very thorough with me and explaining things that I didn't even ask about. The process was straightforward. As I listened, I realized that my questions were already answered. I didn't notice anything surprising. And as I reflect, I was calm and listening during the new process. I learned through HQC that it's just as important to listen as it is to talk. An insight that I learned about HQC is that I should listen first to ideas before introducing my own ideas, and by being a great listener. This approach seems similar to AI in its positive approach. Thank you guys.